Today you will be singing birds are counting and go to sleep. Is it birds are counting or birds are counting? Let me know. Okay, bye. I said the woodpecker sitting on the chair. One eye turned to the lady bear. She grew pickles and turned her back, and ever since then I dressed in black. I said the ding-dong weathering bat. I will tell you the reason for that. The reason why I cry in the night is because I lost my horse day night. I said the woodpecker sitting on the fence. One eye turned to the handsome witch. She got scary and ate her foot, and ever since then I just didn't win. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, while the Lord is praying, while the Lord is praying, stay awake, stay awake. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother James, while the Lord is praying, while the Lord is praying, stay awake, stay awake. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother Skater, brother Skater, while the Lord is praying, while the Lord is praying, stay awake, stay awake, stay awake, stay awake. Happy New Year to everyone and to everybody. It is still December 31st for me, but whoever's watching that in 2026 right now, congratulations! Hope you guys have a good New Year's. Bye-bye, 2026. Yay! Yay! I don't know what to say. Happy New Year's. I hope you have a blessed New Year's. So, bye. Yeah.